Hello everyone, my name is Nakul Nadesh. This is a group presentation by group number 5. This coursework is for module 7042 SSL, the Global Business Environment Evolution and Dynamics. And we are going to present global transformation of Toyota Motor Corporation. We are a group of 4 people named Faisal Nazir, Lovepreet, Nakul Nitesh, Mamoon Ifat. Now my friend Faisal will continue.
Good morning, everyone. Today I'm going. Good morning, everyone. Today I'm going to explore the fascinating story of Toyota Motors, a Japanese automaker that has been shaping the future of mobility for over 85 years. Founded on August 28, 1937 by Kiichiro Toyoda, Toyota is headquartered in Toyota City, Japan and has grown to become the world's largest car manufacturer renowned for its reliable and durable vehicles. With a capital of 635 billion yen and a global workforce of over 380,000 employees, Toyota has achieved incredible milestones, including producing and selling over 10 million cars worldwide in 2021 alone. Despite the changing of the pandemic through its diverse brand including Toyota, Lexus, Daihatsu and Hino, the company offers a wide range of vehicles that embody its commitment to quality, safety, and sustainability. Toyota innovation spirit has led to groundbreaking achievements such as the development of the Corolla, the world's all-time best-selling car, and pioneering work in hybrid and hydrogen fuel cell technology. As we move forward, Toyota continue to shape the future of mobility through electric and automotive vehicle development. Let's dive into the remarkable story of Toyota Motors and explore how this icon company is driving the future of the automotive industry. So now I'm talking about the Toyota background. So in 1926, as Keiichi Toyota founded Toyota Automatic Loom Works. 1929, Kiichiro Toyota researched automotive manufacturing in Europe and the USA. 1933 Automotive Department established led by Kichirio. 1934 first Toyota car type engine produced. 1935 our first passenger car Toyota A and truck Toyota G1 produced. 1937 Toyota Motor Company Limited established. Kichirio became president. 1957 Toyota Motor Sales USA was established in Hollywood, California. 1950 to 1960 global expansion and iconic world model introduced. 1972 Toyota sales its 1 million vehicle globally. 1970 to 1980 hybrid and the fuel cell technology pioneered. 1976 Toyota launches one of its most memorable advertising company. You asked for it, you got it. 2021 Toyota Mirai sets Gwani World's record title with 3045 mile zero emission journey. Today, Toyota is leading automaker known for innovation, quality, and sustainability. So now I'm going to talk about Toyota market. So in Asia, so Japan's 16 factory and in Indonesia have a manufacturing, Philippines, Thailand, Vietnam, India, Malaysia, and including also Pakistan. So in North America, United States, Canada, in Africa, South Africa. So in Europe, in France, Belgium, Czech Republic, Poland, Turkey, United Kingdom. In South America, Argentina, Brazil, Venezuela, and joint venture and the licensed factories in Portugal, Austria, China, Colombia, Taiwan, and Uruguay. So now the next please.
Okay, now I'm going to discuss about why study Toyota's globalization and internationalization. As we have mentioned few points such as first, a lean approach in which they have continued to improve the Toyota's production system by eliminating waste. Secondly, global supply chain, use of advanced information system for inventory management and well-managed coordination of global logistics. Third, adaptation to local markets. In different countries, they have different mode of entries. For example, in India, they have joint venture with Maruti Suzuki for better local knowledge and to comply with regulatory requirements. Fourth, sustainability and innovation. Toyota is well known for its sustainability and innovation by introducing their hybrid technology, creating a vision for future automotive industry. Fifth, economic impact. Toyota has an important economic impact all over the world by creating employment and contributing to GDP in many countries. Sixth, cultural integration. Toyota Motor has done a brilliant job of integrating its culture to various countries by creating strong relationships with both employees and customers, and by continuous improvement in their service thereunder. Seventh, strategic alliances and partnerships. Toyota has established partnerships and alliances with different big companies to increase its global presence and strengthen its capabilities. For example, Toyota's partnership with Subaru, Lexus, Mazda, etc. Eighth, crisis management. Toyota has a fantastic skill for crisis management by enhancing quality control process and giving importance to customer safety. Ninth and the last point, technology leadership. Toyota has its major focus in hybrid technology, providing various hybrid products in their lineup, which has benefited them in contributing to sustainability, making them global leaders.
In the next slide, we explore the global transformation of automobile industry through strategic business models and economics theories. First, we consider the OLI model. This comprehensive framework helps us to understand why companies engage in foreign direct investment and become multinational enterprise by demonstrating ownership, location, and internalization advantage. These companies effectively expand their operations and influence globally. There is ownership advantage for Toyota due to its reliable productivity system, while for the Tesla is known as for its advanced electric cars. And a location advantage is there for Volkswagen in China due to its operations there, and BMW benefits from facilities in the US. Toyota dominates in Japan, while internalization advantage indicates companies streamline internal efficiencies like Toyota achieves this through vertical integration and Tesla by developing self-driving software. Another theory that explores global transformation is the product lifecycle theory, which explains the stages a product goes through from its introduction to its decline in the market. For example, the early 2010s markets marked the introduction stage for Tesla Roadster and Nissan Leaf electric vehicles, while in mid 2010s the to the present represent the growth stage for the Tesla Model S and Model 3. From 1988 to the present, the Toyota Corolla has been in the maturity stage, whereas the Ford Victoria saw a decline in the last 90s until its marked withdrawal in 2011. And next, we include Uppsala internalization model, which illustrate how automobile companies gradually expand their global presence in the starting with minimal risk and progressively increasing their investment. Additionally, we examined network theory, which highlights the importance of relationship in global expansion in automobile sector. Companies like Toyota leverage robust suppliers network like Keisetsu and a strategic alliance like Renault, Nissan alliance, and strong customer relationship we can see from the Tesla referral program to enhance the global reach and competitiveness. Another key theory is transaction cost economics, minimize cost and maximize efficiency to expand globally. Toyota just-in-time production system reduce inventory costs, while strategic manufacturing locations such as those in United Kingdom and Europe help to avoid tariffs and save billions. Honda ensures quality control with a global standardization approach. Then in the motor diamond model explains competitive advantage through four factors in automobile sector. Germany excels in advanced engineering and skilled labor factor conditions, and Japan high fuel efficiency demand boosts the Toyota and Honda demand conditions, and in case of Italy we can say Ferrari and they are in at a beneficial state due to their designs and firms and related industry, and intense competition among the US automaker drives the innovations firm strategies and rivalry. In the next slide, we are going to see the furthermore, we explore how these models explain the successful globalization of Toyota Motor. Toyota, a successful application of OLI framework, demonstrate how leveraging ownership optimization advantage can drive global expansion and competitiveness for Toyota Motors. It has a wide ownership advantage through its advanced manufacturing technologies known as Toyota Production System (TPS) and the research and advanced research and development. Moreover, in different geographical locations like in North America, China, Europe, and Southeast Asia, Toyota strategically locates its operation to maximize economic benefits. Toyota also benefits from controlling its international operations through vertical integration by investing in Denso and making strategic investment. Then Porter Diamond's model further explained Toyota global expansion success. Toyota globalization success is driven by advanced factors condition, including a skilled workforce and cutting-edge manufacturing facilities, and strong demand condition in the automobile sector have also benefited Toyota. In Japan, the high demand for low fuel consumption LDVs allowed Toyota to fulfill the demand for fuel-efficient vehicles. Toyota has strategically alliance with related and supporting industries like Denso and Aisin Sakai, and has a rivalry with Honda, Nissan, and Mazda. In the next slide, we consider more theories, and it's about the product life cycle theory. It's starting with the introduction stage. We have seen in the Toyota PLS initial development and production in Japan in late 1990s, and then there was a growth stage in which in early 2000 and saw a rising popularity and market expansion for Toyota PLS and making it more available to other markets like United Kingdom and US. Then there came a maturity stage in the mid of 2000 to 2010, and we saw an increase in market penetration, and then came the decline from late 2010 to the present. Demand has decreased as the customer shift toward the fully electric car. Furthermore, the Uppsala model explained the Toyota global expansion, no regular export before 1950, and there was early export in 1957 through independent distributor, and then came the establishment of sales subsidiaries, Toyota Motor Sales in 1958, and then first production unit was in US in 1986. Lastly, we introduced network theory, Toyota robust global network suppliers, including its Keiretsu network with closely knit suppliers like Denso, Aisin Saiki, and Toyota in Japan. In the North America, it collaborates with suppliers like Megan and International Johnson. Toyota distributor network include Toyota Motor Sales USA and established in 1958 with over 3,000 dealers in Europe. Strategic partners and joint ventures include Toyota, Panasonic, FAW Toyota, and GAC Toyota. Toyota Motors' global expansion demonstrates how strategic applications of business theories can drive international success. By leveraging the OLI modern Porter's Diamond and other framework, Toyota has become a leader in the global automotive industry. Next, over to the Lovepreet.
Now I'm going to shed light on how internationalization benefited Toyota business. First of all, market diversification. Toyota entered North American market in 1958 with the name Toyota Motor Sales USA included. Then it started manufacturing in the USA in 1986, and after a great burst of success in the USA, it expanded into Indian market in 1997 with the unique name Toyota Kirloskar Motor Private Limited. Moving further to the next point, increased sales and revenue. Toyota grew its sales and revenue through strategic market expansion. And if I talk about its another point, innovation and development, then Toyota launched Toyota Prius hybrid technology in Japan 1997 and in US and UK in the year 2000. It also collaborated with Panasonic for battery technology and with Uber for innovative solutions. brand recognition, and economies of scales. It implemented a collectivist culture approach to communication strategy. It established more outlets in outlying regions, launched unified global market campaign like Let's Go Places. Moving further to the another slide. Toyota faced so many challenges in different markets, such as intense competition. It got competition from strong dealer network of competitors. And the another point is differing consumer preferences. And the perfect example for this is Japan-China conflict in 2012, affecting sales of Toyota, because it varied on consumer tastes and preferences across markets. The third point is regulatory requirement. The stringent regulatory policies regarding defects, which was in 2020. And the another point is cultural disparities. Toyota adapted to diverse culture norms and values and aligning with global sustainability goals such as the UN Agenda 2030. Moving further to the next slide, the critical evaluation of Toyota Motors. I'm going to shed light on strengths and weaknesses. First of all, I'm go with the strengths. The main strength of Toyota Motor is efficiency and quality because they give priority to more efficient quality and products. The second point is technology advancement and sense of quality despite past recalls and quality issues. For example, that in the 2000 and 2009 to 2010. And another example is Marius 2020 and the Liker 2003. Toyota production system and the Toyota way of continuous improvement is also a great strength of Toyota Motors. Local responsiveness, localized production, tailored product lineups, strategic alliances, and Toyota and Mazda and the Guangzhou Automobile Group in China is the great example of this. Now I'm going to talk about the big weaknesses of Toyota Motors. First of all, the biggest weakness for Toyota Motor is over reliance on certain markets, such as dependence on North America and Japan, Hiroshi 2020. And the second point is vulnerability to regional economic, environmental regulations, lack of thorough understanding of ecological limits. Thank you.
Okay. Now I'm going to talk about some of the recommendations which are given below. Expand the electric vehicle manufacturing to key markets like Europe and North America to meet local demand and take advantage of government incentives in these markets. Accelerate a broader range of electrical vehicles to meet the growing demand for the environmental friendly transportation. Strengthen its partnership with Panasonic for battery technology and explore opportunities for joint ventures with tech giants like Apple and Google. Produce affordable hybrid vehicles for the Indian market through the Toyota Suzuki partnership. Set up new manufacturing plants and expand the existing ones in emerging economies like Indonesia, Philippines, Vietnam to meet demand of growing middle class. Focus on sustainability. Implement a comprehensive recycling program for end of the vehicles and batteries. Understand data analytics to more enhance to the consumer insights and target the markets. In the next slides, we have mentioned some of the references. Thank you.